The client came to me August this year, 4 months before her mortgage was due.
September, October, November, December. Yeah.
Go through the whole fact find with them, the whole process, and we look at a bit of a plan. This person had loads of debt, but they had lots of equity within the property. I figured out that they would be £400 a month better off than where they are now. And then at this point in time, they weren't saving any money. Everything was going on to service really high credit card debt. They were struggling. So they needed to consolidate. The credit score weren't the best, and they had a few defaults a few years ago as well. From looking at it, by consolidating, they would have been £400 a month better off. And because of the remaining affordability, I was able to knock a couple of years off the mortgage. So it would expire 10 years' time when they're in the 60s. That was an important thing for them. August comes around, we get her away from a lender that has a really high interest rate, and we put with one of the big 6 lenders, which is quite good considering they had a default. So August goes by, September goes by, October goes by, November goes by. And in between October and November, the solicitor just randomly decides to complete. So I contact the solicitor and figure out, hey, why are you completing early? There's going to be an early repayment charge. So the solicitor says that they wanted to complete. So I'm like, why would they say that? Because the amount of money that they would have to pay from completing early, which should have been like over £3,000, was to go towards the consolidation. So I ring the client and say, why have you said that you wanted to complete early?
So, well, I was just given the option to complete early, and I can complete early.
And I was like, yeah, but I know you can complete whenever you want, but you see this early repayment charge, it's £3,500. That's, you're going to lose that. You probably won't be able to pay off credit card A.
Oh, I thought that was just the normal cost of completion.
£3,000. Now, just wait and you won't have to pay £3,500, and more money will go to you, so you can pay off all your debts. Perfect. So I ring the solicitor and said, yeah, I've just spoken to the client. Can you cancel the completion? Like, don't complete. 4 days later, the client gets a letter from their new lender saying, thank you for completing the mortgage. So I'm like, the solicitor should have cancelled this instruction to complete. So I ring the solicitor and I say, what's going on?
Oh no, it didn't complete. It's triggered the letter to complete, but they've not complete. Everything's on track for the 1st of December.
So I ring the client again, don't worry about that letter, ignore it, you'll get another one. It's been triggered, so the letter's been sent. Completion day comes, there's no mortgage, it's gone. Because in the lender's eyes, it's already completed. I get an email from the service team saying, you've tried to complete on this mortgage, it's already completed, but it hasn't. We understand what's happened, we're going to rekey the application for you. Perfect. Which just means that it's going to cost the client a little bit more money, but at least they've got the deal, right? No. The lender comes back and says, we can't issue the mortgage offer anymore. What? You can't issue the mortgage offer anymore? You completed a month ago. Why can't you do it now? Well, the client's done extra spending than what was originally put in place. They've gone over the credit limit, and that's it. You are kidding. So I didn't even ring the solicitor actually. So we ring the BDM. Can you sort this out? She should have completed yesterday, but now they're not issuing a new mortgage. This is not right. The client had not only missed the payment on her credit card, she also went over her existing credit allowance, which is seen as a big no-no for lenders. It's almost like you're desperate for money. And this family was. That's the whole point in consolidation. So we had to send a really big email out, basically telling them my advice. Look, this is the situation they're in. This is what your mortgage will do. This is the outcome it needs to be. We need that mortgage back. It's out of policy. Now, if she can't get with this lender, the big 6 lenders are gone. She needs to go back to the lenders that she was with previously. Higher interest rates, probably won't be able to consolidate, probably paying the mortgage off in the 70s. It would be the worst outcome for her. So we fought and fought and fought. 10 days later, we got it reoffered. And the client completed on Friday.